Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to craft the brick rose ornament in Hearttopia. So right now at the modular street, there is a battle pass that in here you can unlock and craft many special furniture, and one of them is this brick rose ornament. And to craft this ornament, you need the recipe first. You can unlock the recipe after you reach battle pass level 45 like this, and then after you get the recipe, just go to your workbench and then tap on craft, tap on decorate, and then just choose this brick rose ornament, this ornament that looks beautiful. And okay, after that just complete all the materials. You need quality timber, ores, and then modular brick material pack. And then next just adjust the amount that you want to craft, tap on craft, and then tap on hold to continue. And then next just wait for a moment, like this, and just like that you will get, or you successfully making the brick rose ornament. It's so beautiful. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.